What is going on, YouTube? So I am moving to a different state that requires a front plate, and I have here an INFINITI Q60, the 2017, and I thought I had to drill holes along the bumper here somewhere, but I got a little close look, and there's holes inside the grill area for a bracket that actually comes with the car, and it's in the trunk. I'm going to show you guys where it's at. It'll be down here. Pull up. Should be in a bag if you bought the car new, hopefully. Oh boy, is everything in there? Yep, everything is in there. So I've already opened this before, but we're gonna still take a look, and I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. Here we have the license plate holder. There's some hardware in there as well. So I'm just gonna take this out. It doesn't look anything other than normal for a bracket. It goes in those holes, I'm assuming, from those two holes there in the middle. So yeah, let's go ahead and actually install this. It doesn't look too bad of an install. There's some clips here at the top for it to go. There's another section of the grill that has a clip to grab that upper clip there on that bracket, and it should go in pretty snug. The holes are a little bit pre-drilled, but not all the way through, so you can kind of finish those off with your drill or whatever. And the last but not least, there's these two little tabs that actually go on the back of these to catch your new bolts that you're going to use for your license plate. Usually when you go to the DMV, you get plates with actual bolts themselves. So let's go ahead and install this and see what it looks like. Alright, so let's actually put them in. Ooh, got it upside down. That's it. The holes line up. I'm going to grab the actual screw that's provided and slowly start to put it in here. For the last part, I'm actually going to use a ratchet to screw it the rest of the way in. For some reason, it's giving me a hard time about going in all the way, so it's just because the hole is new. So I'm just going to put it all the way in, and it should seat in there nicely. Let's do the other one. So there we are, guys. It is completely installed. The license plate bracket provided by INFINITI, it is 100% installed, and the fitment is great. Now, I do not like the way it looks, obviously, because it messes up with the whole front look of this Q60, which is wonderful, by the way. A little dirty right now, but wonderful. I've never had a front license plate ever since I've ever owned a car, so this is something new for me, and all I can say is that I have to be compliant with the laws in Texas, and if it just means having a front license plate, I'm just going to do it, because I really do not have good experiences with police ever again. Maybe I'm just that lucky, but I just want to be compliant and make sure that I'm not getting pulled over for no silly reason. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, hit that notification bell, and see you guys in the next one.